Today I'm going to have a go at making an insect hotel. So this is something I've wanted to do for a while. So I started by drilling out a piece of pallet wood with loads of holes. So I used my drill press for this. So the drill press is going to get some more action today. So I've got another piece here. I've got 6 of these and I'm going to drill 6 big holes using the drill press. So we need to move some things around to get the drill press out. Alright, so we're going to be drilling out some holes into this piece of wood. So that's the holes I'm going to drill. Sorry, the light's not great, it's night time, so the light's not going to be great. Unfortunately the drill's very close and I can't raise it up much higher, I don't think, no. So we're just going to hope for the best. Okay, so as you can hear, my drill's rather loud. I mean, it's a corded hammer drill, so what do you expect? But it works nicely, nice clean hole. So we're going to move on to do another 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Another 12 to go. So we've drilled out those holes, so I need to clean them up because I'm using a brad point bit, so really I should probably be going a bit slower when I first enter the wood. The depth stop does work, although I'm not that trustworthy of it, so I don't particularly use it, but you could if you want. So the idea for this is we're going to have these 2 bits on the bottom section of the insect hotel, and then we're going to have another block and some other bits and bobs. So I think we're going to drill out another block with loads of tiny holes, but I think I'm just going to drill into this part of the wood. So I'll set up a time lapse and drill, I don't know, maybe 50 holes. I'm probably going to have it something along the lines of that, like on a tier kind of system. I might have them like that though, so there's a gap in the middle. For those of you that might have one of these drill press stands, they're a lot cheaper than buying a drill press, I'll tell you that. Right, so a bit of WD-40 on a bit of this blue stuff, I don't know what you call this. Just rub it all over the bar of the pole thing of the drill press. Make sure you remove all that grime. And then if we have a look, you can see it's removed that black soot kind of stuff. It looks like soot, but it's not soot. Right, we have finished all of the drilling aspect of this project in terms of the hundreds of holes I've got to drill. We'll still have to drill it all together and probably drill some twigs, but I probably won't be using the drill press for that. So if I'm just to position it like that, you can get a rough idea of what I might do. I want to do something a bit different to the normal hotel kind of thing. I don't know though, depends. Depends on how adventurous I'm feeling, to be honest, when I actually put this together.